Hey there, savvy spenders. Ever felt like your money's playing a game of hide and seek, and you're always on the losing end? If your wallet feels lighter than you think it should, you might be caught in some sneaky financial snares. Today, we're embarking on a deep dive expedition, spotlighting the top 7 habits that might be secretly nibbling away at your hard-earned cash. So, grab your detective gear, because we're about to uncover some surprising culprits. Daily luxuries. Picture this: a steaming cup of artisanal coffee every morning, a gourmet sandwich for lunch, maybe a fancy pastry for dessert. Sounds delightful, right? But here's the kicker: if you're spending just $10 daily on these treats, that's $70 a week. A month, that's $300. And annually, a staggering $3,600. Think of the exotic vacation spots that money could have taken you to, or perhaps a significant contribution to a down payment on a house. It's all about long-term vision versus short-term pleasure. Brand loyalty. Brands have a way of wooing us. Their flashy ads, celebrity endorsements, and the promise of superior quality can be enticing. But here's a nugget of wisdom: many generic or store brands are produced in the same factories as their pricier counterparts. So, if you're consistently choosing big names, you might be paying a hefty premium for just the label. Experiment with alternatives. You'll be surprised at the quality you can get for a fraction of the price. Unused subscriptions. In today's digital age, it's incredibly easy to click subscribe and then forget. That fitness app you were super enthusiastic about last summer? The streaming service you use just for that one exclusive show? These silent financial vampires can drain significant sums over time. Make it a monthly ritual to audit your subscriptions. If you haven't used a service in the past month, it's time to cut the cord. Late fees and not automating bills. Life's a whirlwind, and amidst the chaos, it's easy to overlook a bill. But those pesky late fees? They're like tiny leaks in a dam, small but damaging over time. Automating your bills is like setting up a financial safety net, ensuring you're always on time. It not only saves you money, but also the mental bandwidth of tracking due dates. Plus, timely payments keep your credit score gleaming, which can be a boon for future financial endeavors. Buying new instead of used. The allure of brand new items is undeniable. The latest tech gadget, the newest car model, the just-released designer attire. But here's the reality check: the moment you purchase a brand new item, its value starts plummeting. Cars, for instance, can lose up to 20% of their value the moment they're driven off the lot. So, before splurging, consider the world of pre-owned items. They offer the thrill of the new, or almost new, without the instant depreciation hit. Impulse purchases are the adrenaline rush of snagging a deal, the joy of a new purchase. But these impulse buys, especially if they're frequent, can quickly derail your financial goals. A useful strategy: the 48-hour rule. When you see something you want, give it 48 hours. If it still feels essential after 2 days, go for it. More often than not, the urge fades, saving you potentially hundreds over time. Not reviewing contracts and plans. Loyalty is commendable, but in the world of contracts and plans, it might be costing you. Service providers are always evolving, offering new deals and packages. Sticking to your old plan out of convenience or ignorance can mean you're overpaying. Whether it's your phone plan, insurance, or even your internet package, set a reminder to review your contracts semi-annually. There's always a chance you'll find a better deal or, at the very least, can negotiate a better rate with your current provider. In wrapping up, these habits, while they might seem small and inconsequential individually, can collectively have a profound impact on your financial health. But armed with this newfound knowledge, you're poised to tackle these habits head-on, ensuring your money stays where it belongs, with you, working for you. If this deep dive illuminated some dark corners of your spending habits, show us some love. Hit that like button, subscribe for more financial insights, and let's get chatty in the comments. Which of these habits caught you off guard? Share your stories, and let's embark on a journey to financial wisdom together. Thanks for watching.